Hi everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Jennifer. I'm a tutor at the Garcia Center and I attend Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Today I'm going to be going over some math for students ages 9 through 10 which are in 3rd and 4th grade. For more videos like this, make sure you join us on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12:30 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy. Today we're going to get started with grade 3 and 4 rounding. We need to round to the accuracy of the underlined digit. So let's look at number 1. We have 1,311. So the number that is underlined is 3. In what place is that 3 in? That is in the hundreds place. So we can't forget this is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We can't forget that. So here, the one underline was in the hundreds. So let's go ahead and do a number line to help us out. So since it's going to go to the hundreds, it can either be 1,300 or it can go up to 1,400. And the middle would be 1,350. So where would 1,311 go? It would go like right about here. So this would be 1,311. So would it be rounded to 1,300 or 1,400? It would be rounded to 1,300. So this would be 1,300. Now let's go to the next one. We have 4,862. So the one that's underlined is the 8. And that is in the hundreds place. So let's go ahead and do a number line again to help us out. This can either go to 4,800 or to 4,900 because we are doing the hundreds place. The middle is 4,850. Now, where do you think this would go? It would go right about here, 4,862. So, would it go to 4,800 or to 4,900? It would go to 4,900. So to think of it faster and easier, let's take a look at the next number, which is 6. Is 6 greater than or less than 5? It's greater than. So then that would mean we would go up. So we would go up to 4,900. The same for this one. The next number is 1. Is it greater than or less than 5? It's less than. So that means we're going to go down to this number. So let's look at number 3. We have 412. By doing it, by just looking at the next digit, let's try to find the answer. So here we're doing tens. So that means this is either going to go to 410 or 420. So what do you think it's going to go to? Just by looking at the number 2. It would go to 410. I'm sorry. 410. And why is that? Because the 2 is less than 5. So let me show you on the number line. This would either be, since it's a tens, it's either going to be 410, I'm sorry, my mistake again, 410 or 420. And the middle is 415. So this would be 412. It would be like right here, 412. So that means since this number is less than 5, it would go to 410. So let's look at the next one. We have 9,785. The number that's underlined is 8, and that is in the tens place. So this one, if we take a look at it, it would either be 9,780 or 9,790. Why? Because we are working with the tens place, not the hundreds place. The middle would be 9,785. So where would this number go? It would go right here, 9,785. So when we have a number that's the same, we would go up to 9,790. Every time the number after is greater than or equal to 5, it would go up. If it's less than 5, it would go down. So right here, it was equal to, so it would go up. Now let's look at the next one. We have 3,655. So let's go ahead and do a number line to help us out. And this is in the thousands place. So it would either go to 3,000 or to 4,000. And the middle would be 3,500. So where would this number go? It would go right about here, 3,655. So would it go down to 3,000 or would it round up to 4,000? It would round up to 4,000. Let's go on to the next one. We have 77,453. Again, it's in the thousands place. So it would either be 77,000 or it would go up to 78,000 because we are working with the thousands place. And the middle would be 77,500. So where would this go? This would go like right about here, 77,453. So would it round to 77,000 or 78,000? It would go to 77,000. So that is all we have for rounding. That's all I have for you today. And remember, for more videos like this, join us on Mondays and Wednesdays. And don't forget, kids, wash your hands, stay home if possible, and if you are out, try to stay at least 6 feet away from others. And if you have any questions regarding the problems I went over, feel free to ask them on the comments below, as well as any subject you'd like me to go over. Thank you.